So today I told my almost 5-year-old that we're going to build a cool little gaming console. It's a Raspberry Pi with RetroPie on it. It's going to have all those little, arcade games that we used to play when we were younger, me and my wife. We've been in lockdown now for 66 days, 15 hours, 15 minutes and 33 seconds as of now. So we're running out of things to do. We're going to create this little arcade game. What I haven't told him is that I also got him a little cool retro console thing. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's going to make this experience a lot more fun. Have a look at it. See it better when I take it out of the box, but it's a Raspberry Pi retro arcade game console. So once we've built it, I'm going to come back in here and tell him that I've got a bit of a surprise for him, and we'll put it all in that arcade thing.
Video, and we're going to make some bits later on, and we're going to ask everyone to make us some bits, and you can come join me whenever you want.
One sec, yep, one sec. Okay.
It's called a Raspberry Pi.
So before we begin, Pierre, tell them to like and subscribe.
We are going to do something really cool, and today it's going to be something really good. It's going to be, we're going to make a video.
If you like the video, please smash that like button, annihilate that like button, and if you want more, hit the subscribe button. Today, we're going to build a
Raspberry Pi.
My man, and on top of the Raspberry Pi, we're going to install something called RetroPie so that Pierre can play some games. So this Raspberry Pi is one that I've used in the past. It usually has Home Assistant on it, which is for home automation.
My dad makes shorts.
But because Pierre is a little bit bored, we're going to install RetroPie so he can play a bit of games. So we've got our makeshift desk set up here because we are in the middle of sorting out our new office at the back of the house. So for now, we have our makeshift desk and we are going to build the Raspberry Pi. We're going to install RetroPie on it. And if it sounds a bit nerdy, that's because it is. Raspberry Pis were initially something that only really IT people were using in the past. Now they're used by all sorts of people to create little servers, and they're just little computers with a lot of power, surprisingly. Little computers that you can install little servers on, or things that you want to do at home, like home automation, things like that. You do it all on these little Raspberry Pis. But today it's a bit of fun. We're going to create something called a RetroPie, that's the name of the operating system, and it's got a whole ton of games on it that you download ROMs for. So you download the ROMs and you've got an emulator, which is the RetroPie essentially, and you get all the old games that we used to have in the past on Super Nintendo, those arcade games, Sega games, all that sort of fun stuff we used to do in the past. We're going to do it on this thing, aren't we, Pierre?
Yep.
Yep. Does it sound exciting, Pierre?
Yeah. And then you know it. Raspberry Pi, it's a little tiny computer with lots of power.
So this exercise is less about the games, a bit more about the tech side of things. I'm going to teach Pierre that this is a little computer, and computers let us do a lot of cool things on them.
Yep.
So what we're going to do, Pierre, is I'm going to get my little SD card, which is a memory card, and that's what's going to have all the games on it. And then we're going to put the game, we're going to plug it into this laptop, we're going to put the games on it, and then we're going to plug it into this Raspberry Pi. Does that sound fun? So let's download RetroPie.
RetroPie?
Yeah.
So that's RetroPie.
No, that's Google. So we're going to download RetroPie, which means that I'm going to copy it from the internet onto my computer. So we're looking for the Raspberry Pi one. Can you press where it says Raspberry Pi there? Yep. There we go. I'll press it for you.
Raspberry Pi.
Yep. All right, so we are ready. We have our SD card. Want to show them our SD card? So all the games are on this card. Uh-oh. All right, so all the games, Pierre, are on this card.
All the games are on this card.
Yeah, so let's plug it into the laptop. So they're not yet on the card, but that's where they're going to be because we're going to put them on there now. So we're going to open our Raspberry Pi imager, it's called, Pierre. Pierre, can you press this button here?
This one?
Yep. Thank you. We'll just let it install, see when it's ready, and then press finish on that button there. Yep. All right, now we're going to tell it that we want to make it into a RetroPie. So Pierre, can you please press on, yep, choose OS. And then we're going to go to emulation and game, RetroPie. We'll download the latest one.
Where we can play every day.
Yeah.
And
choose where it's going. So we're going to say go to our memory card.
Go to our memory card.
And then can you press that button that says write?
Wait.
Yep. Thanks, bud. See how it says Raspberry Pi and it's got a photo of a Raspberry Pi?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see this is 0, 1. When it gets to 100%, Pierre, when it gets to 100%, we will take out the memory card. We put it in this guy here. This is called a
Raspberry Pi.
Yeah, not a strawberry pie.
I know it's not strawberry pie.
It's a Raspberry Pi, okay? And the games go in here.
It's done.
Does it say 100?
No.
What? Oh, yeah, it went back to verifying. So it's almost done. So all the games are on there and now it's just double checking everything, Pierre. This is a micro SD and this is an SD. So the big one is an SD card and the tiny one is a micro SD card. This is just an adapter. So we take this one out, put that one aside, put it over there. And then this one goes into there. Do you see? No, turn it around. Now we have our Raspberry Pi. It's connected to our keyboard. Which is this keyboard is probably worth more than the Raspberry Pi. Did you think that was funny?
Yeah.
Thanks. This is a micro HDMI. Oh, this looks broken, Pierre. I don't know if it's going to work. This looks bent. Our micro HDMI looks bent, Pierre. No, that micro HDMI is broken, Pierre. Doesn't matter, we're gonna go buy one right now.
We're driving in the car. We're driving in the car. Guys, don't be scared.
Got it, Pierre. Look. See it?
Yeah. Hopefully we don't break this one, so I get to play with it every day.
So yesterday we were making a, what's this called?
A Raspberry Pi.
And we're gonna turn it into a game.
Yeah.
But what happened?
It broke.
We broke the micro HDMI. So we went to buy one yesterday, but we bought one.
But it was the wrong one.
But it was the wrong one, which was my fault because I ordered the wrong one. Because we can't go shopping at the moment in Sydney, we have to do click and collect. So I quickly bought it with 15 minutes before the shop closed. Got there and they gave me the item. I went home, got it home and realized that we bought one that was a micro HDMI. We wanted a micro HDMI to HDMI adapter, but I got a USB-C to HDMI adapter. So Anyway, point of the story is, yesterday we got to the point where we were putting the games onto the little memory card. Remember, Pierre?
Yep.
Yep, and we put it on there and we were going to try and connect it up, but it didn't work. So now we're going to try and connect it. So the USB card is still here. Sorry, the memory card. And we've got our new cable here.
If you want so much on it, it's not done yet, but it's gonna come up soon. And
so it's starting, isn't it, Pierre? Look at the game. Whoa, RetroPie. Let me get a good shot of this.
How do I play it?
Alright, so Peppy, we finally worked out how to download some games.
Pac Man, Pac Man, Pac Man, Pac Man, Pac Man.
Is that pretty cool or what?
Guys, it is awesome.
Let's have a look.
There's a pink ghost and a red ghost.
So Pierre, what you have to do, I'm hoping that these arrow keys work.
You're supposed to eat the ghost, and it's the ghost eats you.
Let me just make sure the arrow keys work for you. Oh, I think you need to eat the yellow dots, right? So
Otherwise, what will happen?
So I took it out of the box. Check this out. How cool is that? How you going? Are you winning? Check this out.
What? Yeah. I'm losing that.
It's alright. We're going to stop it and we're going to play on this thing anyway.
We're going to play on this thing?
Yeah. What do you reckon?
Oh, yeah!
I reckon it's pretty cool.
It has this on it.
So it's gonna end up playing on that screen there, so you can have proper controls. That's pretty cool, right? All right, Pierre, we got it. Wait. So we got it working now. You want to play some Pac Man here?
Yeah, Pac Man.
All right. All right. So what you got to do?
How do I play that?
We got to go to the Pac Man game. So the way we do that is, let me try and remember. Did you lose? You start again.
I tried.
We're gonna wrap up the video now, Pep. So did you have fun doing this?
Yeah. Toilet.
Say thank you for watching. And make sure you tell them to like and subscribe if they want more.
Like and subscribe if you want more.
You heard the man. If you enjoyed, smash the like button and subscribe for more. Want to play some more?
Yeah.
What's the next game we're playing?